Hey guys, welcome back. So 4th of July is right around the corner and I wanted to do a festive video, so I decided to do this nail art tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoy this, and if you would like to see how to get this manicured, then please keep watching. Alright, so I went ahead and applied these nails. These are the Full Cover Nails by Kiss, and I applied these because my nails are really short right now. For nail polish, I'm going to use this pack. This is the Sally Hansen Extreme Wear, and I like that this had all three colors, red, white, and blue. And I think it was cheaper. It was like $1 cheaper than if I were to buy them individually, so this was really convenient. So any red, white, and blue nail polish will work, but if you're curious, this one is called Pucker Up, the white one is called White On, and then the blue one is called Pacific Blue. For tools, I have this little nail kit. I got this at Walgreens, and this does come with a whole bunch of decals, and it also has like this dotting tool and these brushes, so I'm probably going to use the dotting tool and maybe this nail striper. And then the next thing I'm going to use is this Nail Art Starter Kit by Kiss. I got this at Target as well, and this is really good if you're a beginner and you want to start doing nail art. It has a whole bunch of brushes, has glitters, decals, and like sealer stuff, and it's just really good for getting started. But I'm just going to go ahead and use one of the nail brushes and maybe the tiny dotting tool that it has in here. And then for a top coat, you can use any one you want. I just have this NYC top coat. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and start with my thumb first because this is going to have the most detail. So the first thing I'm going to do is apply the white nail polish. And while the first coat is drying, I'm just going to go ahead and start the other ones. This one is going to be red, and these two I'm going to paint white, and then this one's going to be blue. So I'm going to go ahead and paint these two white. That way they could go ahead and dry so I could apply another layer. So I went ahead and painted 2 coats on all 3 of these fingers. And to be honest, I've never painted these fake nails before, so I'm having a little bit of difficulty, but it'll all look good in the end once the top coat is on top of it. So I'm going to let this second coat dry, and I'm going to go ahead and paint this one red, and then paint that one blue, and then I'll come back to the thumb and the ring finger later because those two are going to have detail on it. Okay, that one was easier. Maybe the white nail polish is just a little thick because this one seemed runnier, and I like the way it went on. It's like a lot smoother. So just keep that in mind if you do plan on getting this 3-pack. So I got all my coats on, and I just wanted to let you guys know the red one was the best because it was the most smooth, and I just like the way it went on better. The blue one actually took 3 coats to cover my nails, and then the white is a little bit thick. So if you do plan on getting these Sally Hansen ones, just keep that in mind. For my thumb, I'm going to do a flag. So I'm going to take the blue nail polish and then put a rectangle at the upper corner. Here's what it looks like so far, and it might be a little tricky, but just go ahead and take your time. So I'm going to go ahead and do the stripes, and I'm going to use this brush right here instead of this one. This one's a little bit longer, which is nice, but it is kind of too fluffy. I think I'm going to have to trim the hairs a little bit. So I'm just going to take the red nail polish and this brush, and I'm going to do squiggly lines because it's a lot easier than if you're doing straight lines. Alright, so this is what the flag looks like, and I actually really like it with the squiggly lines, and they're all like different sizes. So I was going to do like little stars, but I think I'm just going to do polka dots. It's going to be a lot easier. So I'm just going to take a dotting tool and some white nail polish and put some dots all over the blue. Alright, so here's what the flag nail looks like, and now I'm going to go ahead and move on to my ring finger. So what I'm going to do is take the red and blue nail polish, and I'm going to put dots all over my nails. And I'm going to use both ends of the nail dotting tool so that I get big dots and little dots. And don't forget to seal it with a top coat. Alright, so this is what the completed manicure looks like. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be posting lots of pictures on Twitter and Instagram. And please give this video a thumbs up if you would like to see more nail art tutorials. Have a happy 4th of July, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!